Yep, I'm back. Y'all know I couldn't let you go without giving you a quick weigh-in. We gotta get a weigh-in. I just set everything up on the countertop. Kind of sorted through the dandelions. Picked out all anything that was not necessary to consume, or anything I don't want to consume. These leaves here, I'm not going to eat this. They kind of withered all up. They look kind of bad. These are the better looking leaves on the chart. These here, they're okay. I'm going to eat it. I'm going to go ahead and blend those up, so I won't know the difference once they add it to the blender. I won't know the difference. But these things here, I'm not going to put that in my body. It's kind of withered all up. I'm pretty sure it's edible, but I don't want it. I just saw these green beans. I took another look at this here. I thought it was going to be about 12 or 13 ounces, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking more like 10. And I promise y'all I didn't weigh it before I cut the camera back on. So we'll see how close I am to 10 ounces. Left in there. Okay. I've seen something I don't want. Leaf. Get that out of there. Alright, so 333 grams. So how many ounces we got? Oh, we got 11 ounces. So I'm off about 1 ounce. Probably more like an ounce and a half, off about an ounce and a half. So cool. Well, that's nice though. We was able to pick just 3 or 4 days later, able to pick, another 11 ounces of beans. So we did about 10. I'm gonna just say 10 and a half ounces the first time. The second time we did over a pound. I can't remember exactly how much it was. I have to check out the video and kind of tally everything up. But I would have to probably guess it was 10 pounds and 3 ounces. So if I said 10 pounds, 3 ounces, if it was 10 pounds, 3 ounces, including the 10 ounces that we picked the first time, the first and second time together is 2 pounds. And wait a minute. So 1 pound, 1 pound, 3 ounces. 1 pound and 13 ounces. 1 pound, 13 ounces. So if I add this to it, it would be, what? Okay, 2 pounds, 8 ounces. We're roughly around 2 pounds, 8 ounces to 2 pounds, 9 ounces altogether. It's about 2 pounds. I'm gonna say 2 pounds, 9 ounces to be honest. So, I should got a little flour there from the bean, right? All right, so that's again 11 and 5/8 ounces, 333 grams. Dump this out back into the green bowl there. All right, so let's weigh in this start here with the dandelions. I've seen a couple of flowers on this stuff, and just to let y'all know, these flowers are edible. They are edible. There's one there. I've seen another one here somewhere. So, what we got? 40 grams, which is 1 ounce and 3/8, 1 3/8 ounce. 1 3/8 ounce. Again, 40 grams. Okay, cool. That's actually a lot of dandelions, all honestly. What we got here? We're gonna go this way with the ones I do want. and go this way with what I don't want. I'm gonna weigh it in, you know, add it all together, see what we got. What we got? 4 and 3/8 ounce. Grams, we got 124 grams. Cool. So if I was to add the greens, the dandelions, and that was 40 ounces, and now we got about, 40 grams. So we got about 164 grams of greens total. And of course that over there was what? I think about 1 3/8 of 1 3/8 ounces. So it's about 5. We're rounding about 6 ounces altogether of greens that we just pulled out the backyard. Yeah, y'all. Get that off there. Put that in the trash. We'll deal with that later. So that's what we got, y'all. We got some greens here to eat. We got some beans here to get prepped up and eaten up. I'll just dump everything out. I'll go ahead and clean it up anyway. So I need my strainer freed. Anyway, so we're back. Let y'all out. Set everything up, make it look pretty for you. Okay, before I let y'all go. Cool. Alright, y'all. So that's what we got out the yard today and out the garden today. Thank y'all again for joining me. And I will be catching y'all on the next video. Y'all make sure y'all give me some thumbs up now. Refer your friends to to subscribe to the channel. It helps out. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. Be good.